Hello guys, how to open Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Outlook in safe mode on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. And to open all this Microsoft Office related in safe mode, open Run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key or right click on the Start button. And to open Microsoft Word, press Windows/save and Microsoft Word save mode will open. You can easily see Microsoft Word in safe mode will open. Now we will see how to open Microsoft Excel in safe mode. Word save in place of Excel/save. Simply copy this command and paste it in Run command box. Excel/save and Microsoft Excel will open in safe mode. You can easily see Microsoft Excel is opened on safe mode. Now again go to Run command box and to open PowerPoint in safe mode, just PowerPNT/save. Execute this command in Run command box and PowerPoint safe mode will open. You can easily see PowerPoint is opened in safe mode. Now we will see how to open Outlook in safe mode. Simply go to Run command box and in Run command box Outlook/save. Execute this command and to open Outlook in safe command, because Outlook is not installed in my system, so such type of error will appear. Otherwise this option will work to